Yesterday gold continued a bullish movement, still forming a bullish breakout candle above 4021.78, and it was a pretty strong bullish candle yesterday created, where we can see the price is now stopping and it has reached around 4058 price level, and after that the price slightly retraced back down, and we can see the price was trying to move further down below this area of support 4021.78, but we can see currently the price is stopped above this area of support. Yesterday we can see how the price has behaved. The price continued to rise in value above 3987.78, continued to rise in value to this daily resistance level, and then still continued to rise in value and stop it around this area here, which is 4050. Let's say it as a round number psychological level, where the price stopped and retraced back down. We can see to the first area of support, and we can see the price is currently bouncing from this area of support. The price was trying to move further down below this area, but the price has managed to reach this 40001 support level and then bouncing back up, and we can see the price is currently trying to move higher to the higher price levels. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see how the price behaved yesterday. The price continued to rise in value slowly, and then suddenly a strong bullish movement has happened on the market, but it has retraced back down and then again moving slightly on the sideways and jumping up and down. These are decision candles. After that, the price formed this bullish candle, continued to rise in value, and we can see it has reached 4059.24. From here, the price retraced back down. We can see in several hours the price has reached this area of support and then again to the next support 4000.91. We can see that here on the 1 hour time frame support level, bouncing from here and then returning back down again and trying to move higher. We can see currently the price has formed a small bullish breakout candle above this small area of resistance where these candles open and close are located, and then currently the price is moving higher to the higher price levels. So what we can expect today? Based on this one, what we can see, this area of support is still holding. There is no selling pressure strong enough to push the price back down to the lower price levels, but we can see there is enough bullish strength still here at around this area that is pushing the price up. This is visible on the 1 hour time frame, and currently we can see on the 4 hour time frame, if the bullish candle closes above this area of resistance 4040, it will also mean that the price will try to move to the higher price levels because of this strong bullish sentiment that is pushing the price up. On the daily time frame, we can see how this looks after the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. The price returned back down to test it as a support, and currently it is continuing to rise in value, reaching higher price levels. How the day will close? Well, it's very hard to predict how the price will behave because this is all-time high price level. There are no historical support and resistance levels that could show how the behavior could be in the future during this day. So let's go step by step and watch closely how the 4 hour time frame, which has a very important resistance level currently around 40, and we can see 1 hour time frame currently is trying to reach higher price levels, but we can see this area of resistance, which is around 4050, is very important. If it breaks above, this will mean continue to rise in value, but as it looks right now, there is no selling pressure strong enough to push the price further down. We can see that here it has started, but we'll see how this 4 hour time frame closes. So for now it looks more bullish than it is bearish, but it's very important how the price will behave around this area of support, especially on the 4 hour time frame, and let's watch closely 1 hour time frame how the price will behave, or also around this area of resistance 4050. For now, that's all for this day. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.